Guys, our latest integration was with an amazing product called Hover. Now, Hover's a platform that transforms regular smartphone photos into an interactive 3D model of that property. Here's how it works. You just walk around the property and take 8 photos, one from each side and one from each corner. Then Hover, within 24 hours, will deliver you a PDF of all the measurements of this property. The roof, the siding, the windows, the doors, the soffit, the fascia. It's all there in their measurements PDF. But on top of that, you have an interactive model of that exact property. So you can show the homeowner what their home would look like with different roofing material, different siding material. And they've got all this loaded in there so that you can display it in real time to the customer. It's really cool. Now, when you link Hover with CompanyCam, the photos that you use to create that Hover uses to create the 3D model will sync directly into CompanyCam under the right project. Not only that, when their PDF is ready with all the measurements, that will also save to CompanyCam under the Documents section of that project. So it's perfectly synced up. You can get the measurements you need. You can get that all stored in CompanyCam, and I highly recommend you check it out at hover.to. That's hover.to. Your first report will be free.